Most HVAC, plumbing, and electrical service businesses don't fail from lack of effort. They fail from lack of structure. Welcome to the ProService Business and Training Center. Whether you're a one-truck operation, a multi-location service company, or preparing to launch your own business, or a wholesale distributor wishing to grow through its contractors, we help contractors replace chaos with proven operating systems. At Join HVAC Success, managers lead through scalable systems, not personalities. Career advancement is treated as a disciplined business process, with role-based training tied directly to daily operations, reducing owner dependency and creating predictable growth. Move beyond personality-based management and embrace system-driven leadership. Our training programs empower managers and work delivery employees with clear expectations and structured growth paths. This foundation fosters a culture of improvement. Real success starts with systems that work. Optimize standard operating procedures. Role-based online training. We streamline service operations from the ground up. These systems do more than improve efficiency. They create a clear roadmap to scale your business, develop your team, and operate with confidence. Our business systems and pricing tools are purpose-built for residential and commercial HVAC, plumbing and electrical service contractors. Imagine transforming every service call with a straightforward pricing model that eliminates surprises and builds immediate customer trust. Fast-track your business or career growth. Build leaders. Reduce owner dependency. Prepare for advancement by mastering the duties and responsibilities of your next role before you step into it. Start job-specific training today inside the ProService Job Training Center, or subscribe to our proven residential and commercial pricing, selling, operating, and work delivery systems. Create clear career paths for yourself and your team without adding complexity. We look forward to helping you accelerate your business or your career with confidence.